morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for part 3 of this video, where I'm taking you around to different points for the triangle bird count and letting you see 360 view of what some of the points look like, what some of the habitats that you may be surveying may look like if you decide to become one of our citizen scientists. Right now I'm here at point 2321, which is close to North Carolina State University in Hillsborough Street. You can hear a lot of the traffic in the background and a lot of the construction. But if you listen closely, you might also be able to hear some of the birds that are very active this morning. I've heard house finches, I've heard cardinals, all in the background while we were creating this video. And if you take a moment to scroll around, you might see the variety of habitats or greenery that you might be able to see at some of the structures that we have at some of our points. And even though this is a residential neighborhood, there still is a lot of tree cover for birds where they can find cover from predators and where they can find food, which makes this a decent habitat for birds. We have a lot of, we have crepe myrtles, we have oaks, and we also have sweet gum right here in this yard, as well as a variety of different flowering plants and evergreens, which some birds may like. So thank you so much for taking the time to scroll around and look at what this habitat may offer. And remember that if you volunteer for our point count, that you might be able to find a point just like this, one that's in a residential neighborhood right outside your backyard, right outside your front steps, and you can actually be able to look at and hear and see some of the beautiful birds that are in your own backyard and feel more connected to nature. Thank you so much for joining us today on this 360 video ride.